Alright, so breakfast for day 2, we got some little deer steaks and cooking on the fire. That's my cast iron. Everybody waiting on getting something to eat. And we're going to have some eggs with that. And y'all want bacon too? That's up to y'all. That's up to them. Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel, welcome to another video, and welcome to day 2 of our camping trip. Good morning. No, hell no. I did not sleep worth a deadgum last night. Okay, so I slept in a hammock. Now, whenever I done the review on this hammock, I had plenty of people commenting saying, hey Spicy, you need to get one of those foam yoga mats and put in there, sleep on that yoga mat, because mosquitoes can poke through that. And I was like, okay, sounds good. And I never got me a yoga mat. Now I know why you need a yoga mat, because it felt like I was having acupuncture done by 1,000 mosquitoes last night. So I did not sleep at all. Zero sleep last night. Oh my gosh. So tonight I did bring a blanket. Okay. But I didn't use it because it wasn't cold. Here's my little blanket. A little thin. That will be going underneath me. And I'll be sleeping on that tonight. Because I can't have 2 nights where I can't sleep. I'm going on 24 hours already of being up. But we got up just a little bit ago. Well, I've been up all night, so I mean it don't matter. But Bocephus is up. There he is right there. The guys, they went out in the boat to check their trot lines and yo-yos. I'm finna start breakfast. Got some deer meat and eggs. So I'm going to get that cooked up for everybody. And then we're going to go on about our day. We'll figure out what we're going to do. Me and Bo need to go check our trot line and yo-yos. And then we'll get this day started. I gotta drink some coffee. I need like 4 pots of coffee. Yeah. But, alright. Let's see what we can get into today. Alright, so I am scrambling up some eggs for everybody right now. Just got the deer meat cooked up and what grease I had left over. That's what I'm doing the eggs with. This is going to be mighty fine. Oh, I'm getting a bite. I'm getting a bite. Take it.
Oh,
I missed him. Alright guys, so we are down here just on the bank. We're doing a little bit of cork fishing for catfish. I got my catfish rod and we're using worm for bait. I hope the wind ain't bad. Well, we just throw it out. And letting her sit. I'm gonna let y'all know, I've done caught one off camera and she was probably about 5 pounds. 5-pound channel cat, that is. I want to do that again because it felt amazing. No.
I got a few more.
Mm.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, yeah. He don't feel as big as my last one, but he feels good.
I got a few more worms up there.
Oh.
Based on how much they buy me now.
Oh. Yes. Oh.
Got an ice chest full of fish.
That's what I'm talking about. That is awesome. We're going to be doing this all day. Man, look at all the birds flying into that group of trees right there.
Yep.
Well, Bo, are you having a good time?
Yeah.
We caught a lot of fish last night, and we're attempting to catch some fish right now. And then here in a little bit, me and Bo's going to set out a trot line, another trot line. And I don't know what else we're going to do today. We're just relaxing, camping.
Still gotta skin those fish.
Oh, we still got to skin fish. But just a relaxing camping day out on the lake. Well, right now, it's not a whole lot we can be doing. The wind has picked up pretty good today. I'd say about 15 miles an hour. So, what better than to lay in the hammock and take a nap? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a nap for a little bit, and then we'll get back at it. I don't know if the nap was good or bad yet. Took a nap for an hour, and I feel like, well, I don't feel bad, but I don't feel really energized either. Yeah. Man, if this wind can die down, we can get in the water and do some fishing. I had to put up my canopy. Sun was out, got pretty hot. But the camp itself is in the shade, so that's good. But the water's pretty choppy, so that's not too good. And then the way that our little island sits, our little point sits, the wind is coming straight at us, so there's no break in the wind like on this side or that side or the end. So we're just kind of stuck in the middle at the moment. Alright, so it is about 6 o'clock, well, about 7 o'clock now, but for the most of the day we've been pretty lazy. Couldn't really go out in the water and do anything because the wind was up a whole bunch. The wind's finally starting to die down a little bit, and we are cooking supper right now. Whoop, I lost y'all. There y'all go. But we are cooking supper right now. Josephus, what you cooking?
These are the fish that we caught. Now we cleaned them. Now we're gonna eat them.
That's what I'm talking about. That pot is rolling now. Last of the French fries. After we eat, me and Bo we're gonna go out and set our trot line. I'll show y'all a little bit of doing that, but that's gonna be a whole totally separate video. The trot line and yo-yos, that's just about as easy as you can get catching your own fish. I'll show you how to set that up in the video and all that. And then, I guess just relax for the rest of the night. We're heading home in the morning time, break camp. Alright, suck him up, Bo. See what we got. Catfish on the yo-yo. That is awesome. So that's our first one for tonight. Well, we had one on the trot line, but this is the first one after baiting everything up. Hey, Bo, what are we baiting with tonight?
Some weenies.
Some hot dog weenies. Pack of Bar S weenies have been, I mean, they have been awesome. 89 cents for a pack of weenies, and we have caught, how many did we catch yesterday?
About 15.
15, 16, 17 catfish on just weenies. Alright, we got another one on the yo-yo. Look at that limb moving. And this is on the yo-yo. Bo Cephas finna suck it up. Got him. Oh man. It's a little mud cat. Hold him up so I can see him. Oh, that's a little mud cat. We are not keeping mud cat. And the bugs are horrible. They love this light on this camera. But oh well. At least they're not the biting mosquitoes. I think these are baby mosquitoes. So I've ate a couple of them, sucked a couple of them up my nose. So we're finna keep running some yo-yos. Oh, what we got? Oh, what we got? Yeah, dog. Yes, sir.
Ain't a polywog.
Hold him up so I can get him on camera first. Bo, that was freaking awesome. So the wind started picking up. It is 1 o'clock. The wind started picking up, so we went out there and run all the trot lines and the yo-yos one last time. And we got one fish. I didn't have my camera with me because of the wind. But it was 4 pounds and I think 13 ounces, if I'm not mistaken. Nice size catfish. So today, a little bit slower than yesterday. We've got 4 so far, and then we'll check everything in the morning. I had plans on checking everything one more time, but the wind's picking up too much, and I don't want to be out there in the night at night with the winds like that. So I'm finna crawl up in my hammock and call it a night. Guys and gals, thank y'all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little adventure. Tomorrow, which will be the next video that y'all will see, will be breaking camp and loading up and headed home. So far this has been a awesome trip. Didn't get to get any frogs tonight. The freaking alligators really cut up in my live stream, where I went live from the camp. If you go and watch that live stream and go to minute 21 and start watching, that's whenever we started hearing the alligators start cutting up, and it was crazy. I'm talking about it will bring the hairs on the back of your neck stand up. So alright, well, I'm gonna call it a night, guys and gals. Crawl up in this hammock and pass out. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up because those things are awesome. It helps my channel out. And I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, remember, everybody has a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.